What's going on, guys? Josh and Hunter here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. Guys, we are pond fishing today. Got two ponds to fish in right here on the farm. They've got bass, catfish, bluegill, hybrid bluegill, carp, and some crappie in them. We're going to see what we can catch, guys. Hunter's going to throw a wacky rig a little bit. We got some night crawlers we're going to be throwing, so it's going to be a good time. Guys, if this is your first time visiting our channel, please go down, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. That way you know the next time we put out a video. Remember, guys, there's a giveaway coming at 500 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Guys, let's get straight to the fishing. All right, guys. So, bobber and a little bit of night crawler. Here we go. First cast. Had one, lost him. Got him, guys. Beautiful fish. Look at that bluegill, guys. Hunter had one too. Look how pretty. Look at that. All right, guys, go turn it loose. Go get another one. First one. I still got some worm too.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Got another one, guys. Another big bluegill. Another beautiful big bluegill. Oh my goodness. This one's really pretty, guys. Wait till you see the color on this one. Look at there, guys. Look at the colors on these fish. Absolutely beautiful bluegills. Number two, guys. Still got some worm. I'm going to try to catch one. It's not very much. See? Not much, but I'm going to try. I'm just going after the bigger bass in here. There's some bass he's throwing a wacky rig. I think he already had one on, but it came off. Got another one, guys. Number three. It's not as big. Very, very pretty one though. Look at the colors on those fish. Beautiful, man. Number three, turn it loose. One of those bait stealers. I got him, guys. Wow, I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness, this is a really good one. I mean, I'm talking a really good one. Oh my goodness, guys. Look what a bluegill. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Amazing, guys. That is beautiful. All right, gonna turn it loose. Hunter, what have you got? Guys, Hunter just caught a toad out of this pond. Bring it over here. Man, oh man. Wow. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna release the fish. Ready?
Yep. There he goes, guys. Swam right off. Awesome, man. Absolutely awesome.
I put on the shad color.
Show them what color you caught that one on.
I had to take the hook keeper caught it on a wacky worm.
Absolutely awesome. Got another one, guys. Crappie, got a crappie. Look at there, guys. Get the grass off of it. Beautiful little crappie. Absolutely beautiful. So we've caught bluegill, crappie, and a largemouth. Beautiful, guys. Yeah. Beautiful crappie. Biggin. Are you kidding me, guys? Are you kidding me? Look at the size of that. Beautiful. Back in the water it goes. Oh, I got another one. This is a really nice one again. Oh, gosh. Guys. Look at that. Does it get any better, guys? Oh, my goodness. What a beautiful fish. And fat. Look how fat. Beautiful. Back in the water it goes. Get ready, guys. I see one going to it. Bass. It's a bass. Nothing like the one Hunter had, but it's a good one. Yeah. Look at there, guys. Beautiful fish. Not a big one, but multi-species. Going back. Show them what you got there, buddy.
Got another bass. It's pretty big for this pond. I'm gonna let him go.
Man, Hunter's got a good one, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm talking another good one, guys. Right over there off that tree, huh? Man, that's a pretty one. Let's see it, buddy. Good night. Wow, how fat and thick that fish is. Very healthy for this pond.
Yes.
Let's release it, bud. There he goes. Got him, guys. I don't know what my drag's doing. I was turning my drag the wrong way. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful, healthy little bluegill. Got another bass, guys. Man.
Come look at this.
Look here, guys. Thin fish. Looks like it maybe might have spawned out already. Gonna let it go.
And then here's mine.
I don't think I can see that one.
He would catch the big fish and I'd catch the little fish.
That's a nice one. You need to show that into the camera, bud. Wish you'd have been over here. I've got a good one too, buddy. Really good one. Oh my gosh, what a bluegill, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. How big's yours? Look at this. Look at that. Are you kidding me? This is so much fun, guys. This is what I love about pond fishing. Hunter's got a mondo. Watch my rod here, buddy. Come around. Watch my rod. Let's see it, buddy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Are you kidding me? This is awesome. We're putting them back, guys. Big old bluegill. Look how thick. Look at that.
Look at the colors on mine.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look at under his mouth.
Beautiful. And look at those size of those bluegills, guys. Oh man. They're going back. There they go. Mondo.
Is that a bluegill? Oh my. Yeah, that's a bluegill.
Gosh. Biggest one so far. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this one's fat, guys. I'm talking fat. Look how thick. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. Back it goes. I got him. Freaking good bass. Don't do that. That's another big one with you. Look at there, boys. That pretty thing. And he choked that wacky worm. Oh. Can I try one more? I got him, guys. I don't know what he is. He feels good, but I have no clue what he is. Big catfish. Catfish. Oh God. There he goes, he's running.
Let me get him.
And he's fighting hard. He's not giant. I mean, he's probably 15 inches maybe. Maybe bigger than that, I'm not sure. Oh man. He's talking too. Show him, Hunter. Oh, that's a pretty one.
Are you gonna bite?
He probably would. Hold him up there to the camera, guys. Or Hunter.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here,
Another big bluegill, guys.
the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Might be a bass or a really big bluegill. Bass. Another little bass, guys.
Sometimes you need
Pretty guy. Let it go.
to take a step back
What you got?
to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Man, what a pretty one. Man, oh man, oh man. Let's see a release on that one, bud.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
What you got?
free. You and me, meant to be
That might be a big catfish. Don't fight him too hard.
forever free.
Yep, big catfish. I see him down there rolling. Good one, man.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Are you gonna bite? You better not. Look how long.
Yeah. What you got?
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back
Bluegill?
to see the truth.
Good job. Now take your time. That is a nice one, bud.